But then there was an actual illusionary wall. It was at the bottom covering some spikes. Oh shit. Oh, thank you. Oh, oops. Death counter. Seriously, dude? Are you really gonna hit me like that? That's not nice. I have no idea what this boss is, so this is pretty much me looking for the boss. Even... oh my... damn. Oh, an item. Looky, looky. Twin Humanities. Damn. I like. 360 no scope. Yep. I have no idea who played Ash. I can't remember the actor's name. I don't even remember that was his name, because I was quite young when that game, the movie came out. I was very young, and it scared the absolute crap out of me. Like, nearly put me off of reading books, totally. Bruce Campbell. Ah, yep. Yeah, he's in Wild Things and some kids superhero movie where he's like the teacher. I can't remember that. It's quite old. I think the kid in it's Shia LaBeouf when he's like really younger. And it's got Russell Crowe in it, or Kurt Russell. No, Kurt Russell, that's it. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? That thing again? Really? You just did this part, Immortan Goon. Welcome anyway. What the fuck is that? Oh, Manus! Oh my god. Oh, I got to him before 540. Oh. Good luck, have fun. Cheers, man. Yeah. Father of the Abyss. This boss is way more aggressive than Artie. Yeah, but I kind of find big bosses... Alright, can I just drop down here to get to him? Probably not. Wait, I'm gonna test this for science. Okay. Upgrade your weapons. How's it going, Senpai Lou? Welcome. Yeah, I could upgrade my weapons, but I'll see how I go. Yeah, go human and get some help. Yeah. The Cyan dead. Yes. It's all in the name of science. That's my dog in the background, cutting sick. As we Aussies like to say. Yep, science took my sacrifice. But luckily, it was all in the name Oh my god, of science. Little people goes poisoned. What the fuck? Senpai Lou, welcome to the Pain Train. Thank you very much for the follow. Much appreciated. Holy shit. Oh, what the fuck was that? What time is it for me? It is 11:05 PM at night. Yeah, that dark magic, damn. Manu doesn't take any shit. Manus, Manu. What the fuck? Oh god. Yeah. Looks like this could be a struggle. But I've been streaming for 4.5 hours so far. No, 5 hours I think. No. 4.5 hours, yeah, so far. For some weird reason my upload went all spastic and decided to disconnect OBS. That's the price you pay. Damn, that black magic for having Australian internet. But until I get NBN, it's good enough for now. Yeah, we're from Adelaide, me and Miss Mia. Light. Dark. Hurt. Dead. Alright, so now that I know how to get to him, let's give him an attempt. Proper one. Ah, welcome back, Jimothy. Oh, that's not good that it died. Gotta keep that charger on, mate. Wait, it's gonna play this every time? Okay. Holy shit. So you can't do a Bloodborne dodge to him. Ouch. Up your butt. Likes to give high fives. I get what you mean. Manus will kill me at least 500 times. Lethal high fives. Oh shit. What have I got myself into now? Sounds pretty hardcore. Alright. Let's go for attempt 3. That's just completely the wrong way, but it'll do. Really? Damn. Precise dodging is not my forte. No, I won't. Thanks, babe. I has hammer. We'll use it. Alright. Cool, calm and collective. Attempt number 3. I'm skipping the film clip. Okay. Oh shit. Jumps around like a bloody monkey. Oh my god. No. I am Menace. High five. Shit. First time I faced him, I used Smog's armor with high poise and just spammed him up close. I might try something. It might be quite noobish to you guys, but I think it's quite funny. Oh shit. Oh, oh. Nothing's noobish if it works. Do it. Panzer tank mode. Oh wait, I forgot the helmet. Yeah, it's quite slow, but I might be able to face tank him. It's effective with this boss, really? Holy shit. If only I had a bit more endurance, then I'd benefit more from wearing this. When I first had it on, I'd be doing like some sort of weird shuffle. It was quite funny. Oh my god, so she's gonna 3-hit me now, wearing this. Really? You're gonna hit me again while I'm all the way down here? That is not nice of you. Can you smell what the Rock is cooking? Just stay in his pocket. I'm gonna try my hardest. Holy shit! Alright, I think I kind of have an idea, but lol juggle, yeah, he's definitely juggling me. Mad combos, oh yeah. This is gonna be somewhat of a struggle. I can definitely feel it. Struggle is emerging. Oh, you biatch. That is not nice.